this is the last part of the chapter coordinate geometry. Now we are going to solve the practice set 7.2. The first question is, on the graph paper, plot the points A, B, C, join A and B and C. What is the figure formed? When we plot these points on a graph paper, here on the graph paper we can see the points are plotted here. The point A, whose x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 0. Then point B, whose x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is also 3. Then point C, whose x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 3. When we join the point A and B and C, then here figure is formed and that figure is square. Then next question, that is second question, is write the equations of the line parallel to the y-axis at a distance of 7 units from it to its left. Then answer is, the equation of line which is parallel to the y-axis is in the form of x is equal to a, and therefore it is at a distance of 7 units. Therefore the equation becomes x is equal to minus 7. Then next, that is third question, is write the equations of the line parallel to the x-axis at a distance of 5 units from it and below the x-axis. Here the line which is parallel to the x-axis, the equation of that line is in the form of y is equal to b, and it is at a distance of 5 units from the x-axis and it is below the x-axis. Therefore the equation becomes y is equal to minus 5. Then fifth question is, y-axis and the line x is equal to minus 4 are parallel lines. It means that y-axis and the line x is equal to minus 4, these two lines are parallel. Then what is the distance between them? Answer is, the line x is equal to minus 4, which is parallel to the y-axis, is on its left at 4 units, because here the negative sign is to this 4 and therefore it is at its left at 4 units. Then sixth question is, which of the equations given below have graphs parallel to the x-axis and which one have the graph parallel to the y-axis? 4 equations are given here. Then the equation of a line which is parallel to the x-axis is always in the form of y is equal to b, and therefore y minus 2 is equal to 0. It means that y is equal to 2, and the fourth equation, that is y is equal to minus 5, these two lines are parallel to the x-axis. Then the equation of a line parallel to the y-axis is in the form of x is equal to a. Therefore the equations x is equal to 3 and x plus 6 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 6, and graph of these two lines are parallel to the x-axis. Here the graph of these two equations are parallel to the y-axis. Then fourth question is, the point Q, whose x coordinate is minus 3 and y coordinate is minus 2, lies on a parallel to the y-axis. write the equation of the line and draw its graph. Here graph is plotted here. Points are this point Q plotted here, whose x coordinate is -3 and y coordinate is -2, and the line which passes through this point Q, it is parallel to the y axis. Then we have to write here the equation of that line, and this equation is in the form of x is equal to a, and therefore the equation is x is equal to -3, and this Q point comes in the third quadrant. The graph of this line is shown here. Then the seventh question is, plot the points A, B, C on a graph paper. If these points are collinear, then draw the line which includes them. Write the coordinates of the points at which the line intersect the x-axis and the y-axis. Here we can see the 3 points are plotted on this graph paper. First point is A, whose x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 3. Then B point, whose x coordinate is 6 and y coordinate is -1, and the last point, that is C point, whose x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 5. Then here you can observe all these points, 3 points, are collinear. This line intersects x-axis at this point, and the coordinates of this point Q are 5, 0, and this line where it intersects to the y-axis, here you can see the coordinates are 0 and 5. Then 8th question is, draw the graph of the following equations on the same coordinate system. Write the coordinates of their points of intersection. These equations are given here. X plus 4 is equal to 0 means x is equal to -4, and this line is parallel to the y-axis and to its left at a distance of 4 units. Then second is y minus 1 is equal to 0. It means that y is equal to 1. This line is parallel to the x-axis, and because of this +1, it is present above the x-axis at a distance of 1 units. Then third equation is 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to -3. X is equal to, when this 2 comes after that equal sign, then it becomes -3 by 2. -3 by 2 means it is -1.5, and it is x is equal to -1.5, and therefore this line is parallel to the y-axis, and because of this negative sign, it comes to its left at a distance of 1.5 units. Then the last equation is 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. When -15 comes after that equal sign, it becomes positive, that is 3y is equal to 15, and when we send this y after that equal sign, then it forms 15 by 3, that is y is equal to 5, and it is y is equal to 5, and therefore this line is parallel to the x-axis and it is to its left at a distance of 1.5 units. Here the coordinates of the points of intersections of the lines these lines are drawn here on the graph paper. Then we are going to find the points of intersections. The line whose equation is x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the line. And second line whose equation is y minus 1 is equal to 0. The point of intersection of these two lines is minus 4 and 1. That is, the x coordinate is minus 4 and y coordinate is 1. Next, x plus 4 is equal to 0, this line, and second line is 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. This line and this line, these two lines intersect here, and the coordinates of the intersection points are minus 4 and 5. Then next, 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. The line having the equation 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 is here, and the second line, that is the equation having y minus 1 is equal to 0, this line is here. This line and this line, these two lines intersect here, where the point of intersections are x coordinate is minus 1.5 and y coordinate is 1. And last, 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. The equation having the line 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 is here, and 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. Here is that line. Then the point of intersection, it has the x coordinate is minus 1.5 and y coordinate is 5. These are the points of intersections and their x and y coordinates. Next question is, draw the graph of the equations given x plus y is equal to 2. Here the equation is given x plus y is equal to 2. First we find the solutions of following equation and make the table. We are going to find the solution of that equations, and we are going to make the table. Here, first table, where the values of x are minus 1, 0, 1 and 2, and their corresponding values of the y are 3, 2, 1 and 0. And in the third row we get here the ordered value of x and y as minus 1, 3, 0, 2, 1, 1 and 2, 0. When we plot the graph by using these x and y values, then here we get the first point, that is minus 1 and 3. This is the first point. Then second point is x coordinate 0 and y coordinate is 2. Third point is x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is also 1. Here is the third point. And the fourth point is x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 0. This is the graph, and here the equation of that line is written here, x plus y is equal to 2.